Hello, I'm Mrs. Manisha Pradeep Khere, Faculty of Rasiklal Imtariwal College of Pharmacy. Today discuss the chapter Sterilization. First, we will see certain definition which comes under the chapter of sterilization. First, sterilization, it is the process of complete destruction of all the microorganisms present in a system. The product which is free from living microorganisms, they are called as the sterile products. Then antiseptic, a substance that prevents the growth of microorganisms by inhibiting their activity without destroying them. Bactericidal agents are the substances which kills the bacteria. Bacteriostatic, these are the substances that arrest or retards the growth of bacteria. Then disinfection, it is a process that removes the infection potential by destroying microorganisms but not generally bacterial spores. Then germicidal, a substance that kills pathogenic bacteria, that is bacteria which produce diseases but not necessary bacterial spores. Then aseptic techniques, it is the method of producing sterile products by admixing the sterile ingredients that prohibit the access of viable microorganisms into the product. Preservation, preservatives are antimicrobial agents included in the dosage form to control the contamination and multiplication of the microorganisms. Pyrogens, pyrogens are chemically lipopolysaccharides and are metabolic products of living microorganisms, especially gram-negative bacteria. When injected, they raise the body temperature. Injections must be sterile and pyrogen-free. Then we will see various methods of sterilization. There are three types of the method: physical method, chemical method and mechanical method. Physical method includes dry heat sterilization, moist heat sterilization, radiation sterilization, use of ultraviolet rays and ionizing radiation. Then chemical method, it includes sterilization by heating with bactericide and gaseous sterilization. Then mechanical methods, in this filtration of parenteral preparation through bacteria-proof filters is done. For example, ceramic filter, seeds filter, sintered glass filter, sintered metal filter and membrane filter. Dry heat sterilization method. In this method, all the microorganisms including bacteria are destroyed by heat. This is due to the oxidation of essential cell constituent. Dry heating at 100 degrees centigrade kills all the vegetative bacteria in 1 hour, but it does not kill the spores. This process is effective at 160 degrees centigrade for 2 hours. Then this is the hot air oven which is used for sterilization, and the principle involved in this hot air oven is dry heat sterilization method. Then we will see construction of this hot air oven. It consists of double-walled chamber made up of steel. Then glass fibers or asbestos is filled between the two walls to avoid heat loss. This is called as the insulation material. Then the door is also double-walled, having asbestos gasket on its inner surface. Perforated shells are inside the oven to place the material for sterilization. Electric fan, it is fitted for uniform circulation of hot air in the oven. Heating elements, they are fitted at the bottom of the hot air oven. Thermometer is fitted in the oven to note down the temperature inside the oven. Then what precautions we have to take while placing the material in the hot air oven? First, glass apparatus, it should be wrapped with clean cloth or filter paper, and containers must be plugged with non-absorbent cotton. Then articles and substances which are to be sterilized should not be placed on floor of the oven because it gives direct heat. Oven, it should not be overloaded with the material. There should be sufficient space between articles for uniform distribution of the heat. Then after heating the material at 160 degrees centigrade for 2 hours, articles are allowed to remain there till the temperature comes down to 40 degrees centigrade, and then the material is removed. Then advantage of these methods are substances which get spoiled at moist heat sterilization method, they are sterilized by this dry heat sterilization method. For example, oily materials and powder ingredients. Then this method is used for sterilization of glass syringes, glasswares and metal equipments. Then disadvantage of this method is it is not suitable for surgical dressings and it is not suitable for many of the medicaments, rubber and plastic goods. Then we will see applications of this hot air oven. First, glassware, mortar and pestle, petri dish, flask, pipettes, bottle and test tubes, they are sterilized by this method. Powder ingredients such as sulfacetamide, sulfadiazine, kaolin, starch, zinc oxide, they are sterilized by this method. Sterilization of injection where fixed oil is used as a vehicle. For example, injection of progesterone, testosterone propionate and estradiol dipropionate, they are sterilized by this method. Then sterilization of scalpels, spatula, scissors and glass syringe, it is done by dry heat sterilization method. Then next we will see that is moist heat sterilization method. This method kills the microorganisms by coagulating their proteins used for killing the bacterial spores. Moist heat sterilization is more effective than dry heat method because thermal capacity of steam is more than the thermal capacity of the dry heat. Then here they had given the heating temperature and time in minutes. Then this is the autoclave which is used for moist heat sterilization method. It consists of strong metallic chamber of stainless steel. It has a cover which is fitted with a steam vent, pressure gauge and a safety valve. Rubber gasket, it is fitted to make the autoclave airtight. Then the cover is closed with wing nuts and bolts. Electrically heated element, it is fitted at the bottom of heat water to convert into steam. Material to be sterilized is placed on the perforated inner chamber. Then autoclave working. Autoclave is switched on to heat the water. Then vent is opened and safety valve is set at the required pressure. When steam starts coming out from the vent and it continues for 5 minutes, it is then closed so that the air has been removed. Steam pressure starts rising and it comes to desired pressure, that is 10 lbs per square inch with corresponding temperature 115 degrees centigrade or 15 lbs per square inch with corresponding temperature of 121 degrees centigrade. After stated period, autoclave is switched off. Then allow it to cool at 40 degrees centigrade before opening the vent. When whole steam is removed, the lid is opened and sterile material is taken out. In industry, horizontal and vertical autoclaves, they are used which are heated by introducing steam. Then advantages. This moist sterilization method, it destroys the microorganisms more efficiently than dry heat and hence material is exposed to a lower temperature for shorter period. Sterilization of large number of official injection is done by this method. Equipments or parts of rubber and plastic such as nylon and PVC withstand temperature and pressure required for sterilization by this moist sterilization method. The large quantity it can be sterilized by using the big autoclaves. Then disadvantage. This method is not suitable for sterilization of powders and oils. Then it cannot be used for sterilization of injectables and articles such as plastics which get spoiled at 115 to 116 degrees centigrade for 30 minutes. Then applications of this moist sterilization method. It is used for sterilization of surgical dressings and surgical instruments. Then containers and closures, they are also sterilized by autoclaving method. Then we will see pasteurization method, process of killing of pathogens in the milk but does not sterilize it. Milk is heated at 63 degrees centigrade for 30 minutes in Holder method, and in flash process milk is heated at 72 degrees centigrade for 15 to 20 seconds and rapid cooling is done to 13 degrees centigrade. Then tyndallization method, it is the fractional sterilization method. This method is used for sterilization of the medicaments which are unstable at 115 degrees centigrade but able to withstand low temperature heating. This method is used for sterilization of culture media. Thank you.